to welcome you guys back to the channel. Just real quick, this video is just kind of a really short video about a meal that I actually just like to eat. Super healthy for you, and it's easy, so you just have to not overcook your veggies. But anyway, I'm not a vegetarian or a vegan. However, I do eat a lot more veggies than I do meat. I just try to eliminate as much flesh as possible. So just making better choices, that's all. So that's all I wanted to say. Thanks so much for watching the channel, and I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Thanks. Hey guys, I am actually walking you out. My son has actually started his own little garden, and I just kind of wanted to get that in there just because, it was relatable. So he has 2 little tomato plants here. Our dog, Thor, got a hold of the cilantro right there, so I didn't think he was going to be eating anything over here. And I believe those right there are peppers. I know one's like bell pepper and one is like the smaller peppers. Anyway, I thought I'd show that because he just loves his little garden, and of course I'm going to be using it to cook. Yes.